Are you still watching? Go and claim your copy of I Am Not Yvonne Nelson and be ready to be blown away. Can you feel the buzz in the air? The reviews are pouring in and the excitement is contagious. With over 70 people pouring their hearts out, it's a unanimous verdict. This memoir is an absolute masterpiece. Prepare to be transported to a world beyond your wildest imagination. This book is a hidden treasure that will unravel secrets, challenge your perspectives, and open doors to endless possibilities. Buckle up for a wild ride as you immerse yourself in a story that will make you gasp, laugh, and maybe even shed a tear. Brace yourself for a mind-bending experience that will leave you pondering, what if? Still skeptical? Let the reviews do the talking. They're singing praises for a reason. Don't miss out on this literary gem. Visit IamNotYvonneNelson.com now and claim your copy. Get ready to embark on an extraordinary journey.